Okay, this is after a horrendous 2-day, 70-mile-an-hour storm here in Santa Cruz Mountains. Look at what it did to the floor. It's completely covered. Look at the road. Covered completely with debris. Branches falling. Very dangerous. If it falls on your head, it's dangerous. That's my RV. Remember my RV now. Oh, look at this. This is a branch or a piece of tree. They fall right next to my RV. Right there, missing. Barely missing it. See? Look at that. Oh my God. It's crazy. Wow. 70 miles an hour wind. I've never seen the floor covered like that. I mean, if you go deep into the woods, then you can find the floor like that and not with this road. What a mess. Look, I cannot even see the floor. Yeah. My garden. Oh, destroyed. The cover blew off. What a mess. Yes. Wow. Wow. All this is supposed to be the floor. Branches. Yeah, see? Branches like that hit you in the head at the speed that it falls. Can knock you out or kill you. What a mess. Wow. Completely covered. Wow. Look at the disaster there. Branches falling. Branch fall on the line here. We don't have no power for 2 days now, and they say that all the way until Monday, and today is Friday, then we might not get any power at all. Most of the mountains, Santa Cruz Mountains, are without power. Thousands of people without power, and they had to close the schools. And this is my baby Sylvester. Sylvester, where you been? I was worried about you. I was worried about you, my baby. That's my baby. Right. What a mess. I cannot even see the floor. Wow. Holy cow. Look at this. Wow. What a mess. Whoa. Gosh. Another branch. It's like a tornado came through here. Oh, I broke the fence. Cut off the fence. Wow. Unbelievable. At least the wings now, they're okay. Sylvester, mi amor. Qué cosita, mi amor. Okay. Well, that's all. That's all for now. Like a freaking tornado went through here. Oh my god, that's supposed to be a walkway. And look at that.